Alrighty, we are at the Virgin Hotel Casino. Used to be the Hard Rock. And my friend Raven J paid for a little bit of an upgrade, and they put us in the Ruby Tower. So we are in room 621, 10621, and this is a suite. I wasn't sure about this. This is off the strip a little bit. Not by a lot, just by like a couple blocks. So, wow, look at this suite. As soon as you come in, it is amazing. It's so cool. So what's behind these doors, I wonder? Oh my gosh, it's a lighted mirror. Hello, me. That's really nice. USBs, and even a USB-C. Gotta love that. Wow. The safe, places to put your clothes, and ironing board, full-length mirror. Yes, yes, yes. I would say that. Yes, yes, yes. Very cool. There's your thermostat, all touch control, very contemporary, modern kind of cool. So TV and weird looking shake table. The carpet, that's really cool. This looks like a little bar. The phone. I'm sure, let's see what's in here. Oh, that's a little place you don't want to touch nothing. It'll be very, very expensive. Very nice. This view here is like, let's see what we can find out. It's just the building and the parking lot. Okay, the parking garage. But that's okay, here we go. Look at that, you can have a door to close it off. Maybe if somebody wanted to watch TV and the other person wanted to sleep. So here's the beds. They almost look like couches, kind of cool looking. Oh, I like it. Very nice. Just a very kind of hip kind of place. Very nice. TV there. Ooh. And here is the bathroom. What's the little doggy there? That's cute. Is it a dog? Yeah. No, it's a sheepy. It's a little sheepy. That's cute. Modern clock. There's another thermostat. Oh, I think these are lights, guys. Isn't this cool? Yeah, look at that. So you can put your light to you if you want to read or something. Oh, and it turns on automatically when you push it in. It shuts off. That's cool. All this neato little stuff. And there's a huge bathroom. Like, oh my gosh. Wow. And it echoes. Look at the tub. That's a nice soaking tub. Nice. Huge big shower. It's one of the rain heads too, see? And then they have a little handheld too. And they even offer you your soap, shampoo, and your body rinse. And look, there's a nice little bench in your shower. A nice handle. You just have to watch your step down there getting in. But isn't this absolutely gorgeous? Of course, your commode, your towels. Isn't that pretty? And then if you want privacy, you just pull the curtain over. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. And yet you can have the light come in, and that's really, really nice. I love it. So it says, there was a fantastic universal sense that whatever we were doing was right, that we were winning. Very nice. She done did good. Done did good. So this was booked points or points from
a Canadian point company.
Oh, okay, very cool. This was very nice. Oh, thank you, Raven J. Gorgeous room. Love it. If you are needing to stay off strip, this is the place to be. The Ruby Tower. Sweet. All right. Love it. Very cool. Very relaxing. See you in the next. Yes, yes, yes. As we are checking out of the Virgin Hotel and Casino, used to be the Hard Rock. I have to say this was really a nice suite. Definitely well worth the upgrade. Got a late checkout. What was it, 30 bucks?
30 bucks for
30 bucks.
5 extra hours.
Yes, that was brilliant. Allowed us to get some rest, sleep in, take a nap, just do whatever we want. The food service here for in-service, room service, it was brilliant. Very, very super fast, but they only serve breakfast and dinner and not lunch. That's okay. It was super quick, very friendly people. The hotel and casino both are awesome. This is an off strip, and I have to say it was better than the Mandalay Bay. That was just brilliant. We loved everything about it, and I know I showed you earlier a few moments ago what it looked like. I'm trying to think what else. Oh, we had it nice and cold too. The AC worked wonderfully. That was great. What else was good about this one? The shower was nice. It was one of the rain showers. That was brilliant.
Staff was super friendly.
Yep, staff was super friendly. I think what else? It was great. They had plenty of plugs for us.
Plugs everywhere.
And USB as well. This was definitely a great one, and we would come back to this one in a heartbeat. Yep, very, very, very much so. So kudos to those of the Virgin. Y'all did a fantastic job. Love the hip happening kind of room. The modern decor was cool. It's usually not my style, but I really loved it though. It was really neat. So I definitely recommend this hotel, casino. Doesn't matter if it's off strip or not, you just taxi to where you want to go anyway. So it was brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. So definitely recommend. See you guys in the next one.
Like and subscribe.
Yes, don't forget to like and subscribe.